Welcome. Hi, my name is Brian Suhr. I'm a TME at Nutanix, and in this video we're going to look at expanding a cluster. This means we're going to add an additional node to an existing cluster. Let's get started and have a look at the video.
Okay, to save time, I've already logged into Prism Element for our cluster. And now to expand it, we will go up to the gear to go to Settings. And we will select the option to expand cluster. Now there are two ways that Prism can discover nodes. It can automatically discover them, and then it will show the representing blocks and nodes that it's discovered, or if they are not auto-discover them, then you can enter the details to manually discover them. Our node, which is the fourth node in this block, has already been auto-discovered, so we will just select it, and this shows us which spot in the chassis. It will then tell us the IP addresses that are already configured for this node as part of the foundation process, so it's ready to go. We will click Next, and then it double checks to see if the hypervisor and hypervisor version as well as the AOS version match what the cluster is already running. If they are not, then it will re-image them at this point so that it matches what the cluster is running before inserting them into the cluster for the expansion. Our node that we're adding already matches all versions, so we're free to click the expand button. It will now take this fourth node and insert it into the cluster, automatically adding it to the hypervisor cluster and expanding the storage data store capacity with the capacity contained in our fourth node. So the expansion of the cluster is done. Our fourth node has been added. You can see all the tasks have completed. And we can also see all pending tasks at the top in the status bar have completed also. So now if we go to the hardware section, we can see that we now show 4 hosts in the cluster. And if we look at the table, we will see 1, 2, 3, fourth node, and as soon as the name resolves, then we'll get the friendly name as part of that.
All right, we just looked at how easy it was to add an additional node to a cluster and expand the capacity both in compute and storage and performance. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.